Hey everybody, I'm attorney Kyle Kaufman at hkklawoffices.com. Thanks for coming to our channel and watching our videos. In this video today, I am going to answer the question, what percentage of my income will go to child support? All right guys, before I get to that video, if you like what we're doing here on our channel, please like and subscribe, leave comments and questions down below, and we'll answer your questions for you and make more videos for you to watch, okay, and enjoy. We get this question here all the time. We're lawyers here that practice family law in the state of Wisconsin, and we have people that come in and they tell us about their situation. They tell us what their court order is with respect to their children, and ask questions all about how much child support they're going to pay. In many states, like Wisconsin, there are guidelines in terms of what court officials will order for child support, and that is a multitude of factors. But in this video specifically, I'm talking about the situation where one parent has primary placement, and the other parent does not. So that might be a situation where, let's say, one parent has every other weekend, like a Friday night and a Saturday night overnight, and maybe they have a dinner visit during the week. If that situation applies to you, then this video will be relevant. So in that scenario, what we look at, the guidelines tell us that if you have one child with that other parent, and if you're the person paying child support, meaning you're the parent that has the alternating weekend and the dinner visit during the week, you're probably going to pay in Wisconsin about 17% of your gross wages, okay? That's what the guidelines call for, 17% of your gross wages. Now, if there's two kids between you and that other spouse, the percentage goes up, okay? And in that event, it's actually 25% of your gross income. And if you have 3 children, it's going to be 29% of your gross income. So as you can see, we go up with the more children that you have. Believe it or not, some people do have 4 children with the other parent, right? And in a situation like that, you're going to pay about 31% of your gross income. Now, these are by the guidelines. This isn't hard and fast, but this is where you start by looking, okay? Now, I'll go up to 5 kids and what you might pay there. And with 5 kids, you're going to pay around 34% of your gross income. Again, these percentages, folks, they come from the guidelines that as lawyers and people practicing the law here in Wisconsin, we have certain guidelines that are made, administrative rules, and respected by the statutes determining what amount applies in a situation like this. So let's take a scenario where you're somebody who earns, let's say, $4,000 per month, okay? So if you earned $4,000 per month, if I took that times 12, your gross monthly income then is $48,000 per year. All right, now remember, gross income is from all sources. That's before taxes, before deductions for 401k contributions, health insurance, and all that stuff. So you're talking about, you know, essentially your salary and everything that you get, $48,000. Okay, so let's go back through those percentages, and I'm going to tell you, if you're in that scenario, what the guidelines would start with. Again, this isn't hard and fast as to what the court will order for sure. Consult with an attorney about that. But the guidelines would say a person in that situation at 17%, let's see, if I do the math on that, 17% comes to $680 per month is what a person would pay. Now, if you had 2 kids and it's 25%, it's going to go up $1,000 per month in that scenario. And if you have 3 children, and I apply the math to that, 29%, if I recall, is $1,160 per month, okay? So these are real dollar numbers here, folks. And if you have 4 kids, again, 31% of your gross income is going to be $1,240 per month. And finally, we talked about if you had 5 kids, you would pay 34% of your gross monthly income. That would amount to $1,360 per month. Okay, guys? Now, again, this is not hard and fast. This isn't the final, answer for you. Consult with a lawyer in your state. Come talk to somebody like me. Talk about your situation, because that can change if your percentage of placement goes up, okay? If you're having more than every other weekend and a dinner visit during the week, then perhaps you're going to pay less child support and those percentages will change. So make sure you talk to an attorney before you go to court. I hope this video is helpful to you guys and you learned a little bit here. And please keep watching more of our videos. Leave comments and questions below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.